Mabadiliko yapo, unapoona sasa hivi mabadiliko kama yapo kwa sababu zamani hapa hakukuwa na barabara. Sasa wamefanya vizuri wakatuwekea barabara. Kwa hiyo mzigo hatumii tena watu wa soko. Sasa biashara yangu inanisaidia kwa sababu sasa hivi nikienda sokoni sisumbuki na mzigo. Naingia tu kwa gari napanda na kuja nayo.
Services also devolve, and people are getting the services nearer to where they stay. Like Nairobi now, people appreciate kind of services. It's not like what they used to get before. They have to come to City Hall, but within the devolved government, each and every ward has all the services for which the counties provide.
I hope that devolution of power would make it easier for me to send my children to school, would make electricity and water cheaper or more affordable at least, so that basic amenities like cooking and doing that sort of thing would be easier. I also hope that it would make the lives of the women around us a little easier in accessing things like sanitary pads, or reducing the cost for such things so that they can go to school uninterrupted.